Scaling past 50K a month in sales, suddenly your payment processor might hit pause and hold your funds. Here's a quick way to see how scaling can trigger problems. Search for terms like risk or high risk in Stripe's terms of service. You will notice the language is broad, giving them flexibility to re-review or even freeze accounts once your monthly volume grows, sometimes without warning. For fast-growing businesses, this can become a serious roadblock. That's why growing businesses turn to Easy Pay Direct. They underwrite your account upfront and assign you to a bank that supports your business model. Plus, you get unlimited high ticket processing and chargeback mitigation so you can scale confidently without surprise freezes or lost payments. I've linked Easy Pay Direct in the description so you can explore it today. You will also get recurring billing, perfect for subscriptions or automated payment setups. If you want to scale past 50K a month without risking sudden freezes, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out their quick sign up form and you will have a stable, high volume ready merchant account. The link's in the description to get started.